Good morning, class 5. So, hope class 5 you all are very fine. Regularly, you're doing the studies. Okay, so, children, in the last class, I have already taught you about the balance in nature and cause of imbalance in nature. So, we are doing chapter 7. Okay, so you see, like balance in nature is very important, because everyone is dependent on one another. So, we require a balance in nature, okay, which is very important. If there's imbalance, then it causes lots of problems. So you see, why this cause of imbalance in the nature? So we have natural causes, we have man-made causes. Okay, so natural causes already we have done in the last class. Okay, so again I'm repeating, okay, for your betterment. Natural causes is number one is the flood. You know the flood means when there's excuse me, when there's a heavy rain for a continuous few days. Okay, so you see what happened, the in area the water get accumulated. Okay, so large number of water so sometimes get accumulated. So you see that particular condition is called flood. So due to flood, large number of plant animal there. So you see this flood, it can kill large number of plant and animals. Okay, so you see large number of plant and animal are killed, so they lost their life. So they will be, this is also one of your natural causes for imbalance in nature. Next is drought, already I have said you. So when there is when there is no rain for a certain period of time, so you see the pond, lakes, river, everything get dried up, plant cannot grow, the animal dies due to lack of water. So that particular situation is called drought. So due to drought also there is an imbalance in nature. Next was the forest fire. The forest fire, it caused by the lightning or thundering. Okay, now when there is lightning, the dry forest, okay, or it is in a like lightning, mostly it is in a rainy season, so it's so danger that it can burn the complete forest within a few hours. Okay, even you see sometime with human activities also forest fire is caused, or sometime during the winter time when it is dry season, winter is a dry season, when the branch of the trees are dry. Okay, when they get, suppose the wind is blowing and the branches get clashed with one another, so that also create a spark and forest fire take place. So in forest fire also lots of plant and animal, they have birds, okay, exactly, they have to lose their life. So these all are the causes of your imbalance in nature. Okay, this was the natural causes. So today we are going to see man-made causes, and first we are going to see land clearing. So you see, we are going to talk about man-made causes. Okay, first we are going to talk about land clearing. Now see, man-made causes means was the activity which human being does. Due to that activity, okay, due to that activity, large number of people, okay, birds, animals, okay, mostly the birds and animals have to lose their life even. Okay, and it will cause imbalance in nature. Now see, what is land clearing mean? So land clearing means, okay, cutting down the trees, deforestations. Now you see why the people have to go for deforestation, because we have limited number of land area for we require. See, population is increasing in a whole world. So what is the consequence? We cannot create a land that is already given by the nature. Okay, so you see what can be done. So people, what they are doing to fulfill the needs, they have to destroy the forest, they have to cut down the forest to use those land as agriculture land, okay, to grow crops, to build house, building, okay, and other facilities which are needed for the comfort and luxury life of human beings. Okay, so you see, so these all, so land clearing is mostly done by the human activities. Okay, or these all are done by the human beings. So land clearing, it causes death. Now when they're cutting the forest, so large number of plant trees, they have to lose their life, truly. Okay, now see, on those trees, Okay, many birds, many animals, they take a shelter, so they also have to lose their life. Okay, so not only animals, okay, not only plants, so different types of living beings which are present in the forest, everyone have to lose their life due to deforestations. Okay, animal will not get place to live in, so automatically they will die. Okay, so it's so, when the percentage of forest get reduced, so automatically the rainfall in area will also get reduced, so rainfall will become less, large number of animal and plant will die. Okay, so deforestation is caused due to human activity, that is man-made causes, that is land clearing means deforestations. Okay, so it what will happen when deforestation is the one very important cause is that the percentage of carbon dioxide, okay, the percentage of carbon dioxide CO2 will increase and your oxygen will get decrease. So naturally a time will come when there will be, okay, no life on this planet, okay, due to human activities. So these all are the human so human beings are responsible, okay, human beings are responsible for everything. So they are destroying, they are the real sufferer. So these human-made activities, land clearing, okay, this cause imbalance in nature. Next children, number 2, we are going to talk about hunting. Okay, number 2 is about your hunting. Now everyone knows what is hunting. Okay, I hope everyone knows what is hunting. Hunting means children. Like in the olden time, the kings, okay, they used to have their free time, the leisure time. They used to love to go hunting. Hunting means to kill the animals. Okay, they used to love it to do so. Okay, so they used to like to do all these things. But hunting, okay, it is one of the human being activities which, okay, it cause loss to the animal life. Okay, so you see here, so hunting means is the practice of capturing or killing the animals for food, for sports, okay, for different purposes, to kill, okay, to take out the skin and sell it, the bones are sold, okay, for different purposes human beings are killing the animals. Okay, so you see for everything, like elephant trunk, the teeth, elephant, okay, tucks, they are cutting, they are taking, they are making different types of things. Okay, crocodile skin, tiger skin, so everything's are sold out. So people what they are doing, they are hunting, they are killing these animals for these all purposes, okay, to fulfill their needs, to earn money. So this is completely wrong. So in this way what is caused, there is imbalance in nature. Now, so you see this illegal hunting may, so what is this? This is all illegal hunting. They go slowly and they kill, no one comes to know. Okay, so you see here one example I have given. The number of rhinoceros are that are killed for their horns is so large that few of them are left in the world. So you see rhinoceros, okay, so in the world now only few rhinoceros are left because many were killed for their horns, okay, for selling them, earning more money, for it is used for different purposes. Okay, so you see today only few only rhinoceros are left in this world. Okay, so you see, if in very soon, if any strict action is not taken by all the countries of the world regarding the hunting, then a day will come when there will be only few animals left over in this world, and there will be imbalance in nature. Okay, so automatically the life will become impossible in this planet. Okay, so everyone have to think, so they should stop hunting. Okay, this should, not only human beings should live, we should allow the plant and animal also to survive in this planet with us, otherwise human being cannot survive. Okay, now children, now we are going to talk about next is pollutions. Number 3, we are going to talk about pollution. You know, children, what is the pollution means? Okay, now when human beings require so many things, they run industries. Okay, now when they run industries, what they require? They run they run industries. What they require? They require so many fuel and all, and when this fuel burns, it creates lots of smoke, so which cause pollutions. Okay, so you see, it is mostly caused by human activities. Okay, now see in industries, all the waste they are throwing into the rivers. Okay, all the garbages they are throwing into the rivers, so it creates water pollutions. When these animals, aquatic animals, they consume these all contaminated substance. Okay, so you see large number of fishes and aquatic animals, they die. And when these fishes are consumed by the human being, so they get different types of disease. So you see human being destroy, and for everything human being is responsible, and suffering also goes to human beings only. Okay, now see these pollutions. So you see industries are running, the smokes comes out, car vehicles are running, the smokes comes out, it cause air pollutions. So you see these all cause imbalance in the nature. Due to pollutions, many plant, many trees, many animal, many birds, they have to lose their life. Okay, today you see for human being satisfaction, the mobile towers, what it has done, it has killed so many species of birds. Now many birds are not available in many places around the world. Okay, so these all are due to human activities. Okay, this is also part of a pollution only. So you see, so pollution causes land and water. It makes land, water, air, everything polluted, poisonous. Okay, so you see, it may, not only it may, so it causes severe problem to the plant, animal, and also to human beings also. So human beings are doing, human beings are also suffering. So these all creates imbalance in the nature. Okay, these all creates what? These all creates imbalance in nature. Okay, children, next we are going to discuss about forest fire. Forest fire. Now, what is important? Like, what is a forest fire? I said you just now. Okay, that forest fires are mostly caused due to that was the natural factor, that with lightning, thundering. Okay, but here human being factors are also there. Sometimes the human beings they goes okay for picnics and all, and they cook the food, and sometimes the fire is already present there. They throw away. Okay, they don't put water on the fire. They think what will happen little bit, it does not make any sense, it will get okay completely, it will burn and everything will be fine. So sometimes it's small fire, okay, it can destroy the whole forest. So you see here, it is a practice of burning down part of the forest to clear it farming or making human settlement. The forest fire may cause a lightning strike and other natural causes to already discussed. So uncontrolled forest fire can kill all the living organisms that are present. So you see sometimes the human beings near the forest, they will burn everything to clear the forest, okay, for cultivation purposes. So that forest can kill, so that fire can kill lots of plants and animals, and it cause imbalance in the nature. Okay, it will cause what, children? It will cause imbalance in nature. So already about forest fire we have discussed. Now see how to restrict the imbalance. So what you should do, you should follow some rules and regulations to minimize, to stop this exploitation of the natures. Okay, so every country should make a strict regulation regarding the destruction of the environment. So it's number one, we should restrict the practice of land clearing by cutting down trees a large number of scale. We should plant more trees. So the government should check out that people should not destroy the forest. They should not go for cutting down the trees. Deforestation should be stopped and afforestation should be encouraged. So more trees should be grown. Okay, so this is number one. Number two, excessive and illegal hunting of wild animals should be stopped. So no one should kill the wild animals for their benefits. Next is burning down of forest by the, so human beings should not burn the forest. to clear the land for their purposes. This thing also should be stopped by the government. Okay, and do not waste paper, children. Many are, okay. I've seen in your class also, many times I used to school that many are tearing the pages in off period and all that time they make. Okay, they get scolding from the teachers. Okay, so page should not be, your paper should not be wasted, because to make this paper large number of trees has to be cut down. Okay, so utilization of paper should be done very properly, children. Okay, so if you will waste the paper, more copies has to be print by the company, so more trees has to be cut down, so obviously there will be imbalance in the nature. Okay, so lots of trees are to be cut down to make the paper, children. Okay, so this was how to restrict the imbalance in nature. So every country should take the step, not only country, every people should be very strict regarding this thing. So your children, you should also think, and if anyone don't know, you should teach them how to keep the environment in balanced form. Okay, so you see, children, chapter 7 is also over. Okay, chapter 7 is also over. I'll give you the work, you will do, you all will learn it very properly. Thank you, children.